Okay, I'm in Montclair, New Jersey today at Mountainside Park for the 97th annual blooming of the irises. There are 14,000 irises of approximately 3,000 varieties here and produce over 100,000 blooms over the course of the season. And the season is approximately 3 weeks long. It's from May 12th to June 2nd. So this is a peak day. This is probably one of the best days. We've got beautiful weather today, so I'm just going to take a walk around and share some of the beauty of these flowers with you. So this park happens to be a great park for sleigh riding as well. There's another field beyond the trees dead head, and the slope is about the same as this section of the park right here, but there are no iris beds at the lower end, so you can just sled all the way to the bottom of the hill. It's great. I mean, that's what I did when I was a little kid, and that was a long time ago, but I'm sure kids today still do it when they're lucky enough to have some snow around here. And that's it. I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I'll be taking some still shots as well, and I'll post those to my blog. All right, over and out.